Hello everybody, again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. We have trained ourselves on the previous video how to create a header for the document for the HACCP plan. Today we'll continue by training ourselves how to can create a footer to the HACCP plan. Also, this is the gray area of as I have teach you all. This is the gray area of the header, and this are the gray area of the footer. You can double click. For example, you can write many very important data here. We can create also the HACCP plan number or the code of the HACCP plan. Make it click Control plus C, it means copy. And I'll teach you what's the clipboard. This clipboard, you can make it clear all. This clipboard, you can copy and paste about 24 items. For example, when I search here or click here, I can make Control plus C, it means copy. So it's copied here, and it was written here that one of 24 was copied on your this clipboard. We can make also another copy, Control C, it was copied here. We can now go to the footer and write in this area. We can copy whatever, we can paste what we want. So I will paste here the document number. Then here I can write in the middle the effective date, okay, and the last. This document are kept for how many years? I can write kept for 2 years. That means the documentation of this document must be kept for 2 years. I can here also make this to be more wider, or I can resize the space by this way. Close header and footer, and Control plus S, it means saving. So this is the shape of the document, and we can also here make best design by making page order by clicking design, then page order, then box. You can go here whatever you want and make it whatever the size. So these are the shape of our HACCP plan. Okay, now we are creating the cover of the HACCP plan. So at the middle of the page, you can now clear all. Clear all means I don't want anything. So I can close now the clipboard. I can write now HACCP Simplyfoodea HACCP plan orange juice. Then I can take it copy or cut. We can also make whatever watermark, or now let's create for example this, and by inserting word art, then I'll here paste inserting word art, and here then I'll right click and keep text only. So this are the shape. Okay, make it smaller to be more clear. Now this is Simplyfoodea HACCP plan. We'll continue on the second video how to write the complete HACCP plan. Best of luck for all of you, and don't forget to share and subscribe our content. Thank you very much. Hello everybody, again from Simplyfoodea. Today we'll continue our HACCP plan writing